was keeping time with a lonely soul, searching for a peace that can make me whole. The asphalt's crying under my tires, burnout remains of old desires. The neon sign is bleeding red and blue. Everything reminds me of the ghost of you. I got the raincoat blues tonight, driving away from the morning light. The sky is heavy and the road is long, humming the words to a forgotten song. Let it rain, let it wash the stain of a love that's driving me insane. Stopped at a light that never turns green. I'm a shadow in a black and white scene. The engine groans like an old man's heart, wondering how we ever fell apart. I'm drifting through the foggy mist, chasing a dream